Good morning. Let's make vegetable fried rice. Boil rice, prepare your vegetables, heat oil in a wok, add in garlic and spring onion white part. Saute for few minutes, add in carrot and capsicum, mix well, season with salt and sugar, add in the cooked basmati rice, toss well, add in soya sauce and a little bit vinegar, mix well. Now add in some white pepper powder and spring onion greens. That's it, your vegetable fried rice is done. For toasted paneer, it's paneer, lemon juice, Kashmiri chili powder, amchur powder, cumin powder and mix well. Cook it in a little bit oil till it is golden brown, and that's it, your toasted paneer is done. For snacks box, I am using small size cookie cutters to make cute shapes out of watermelon. Now let's pack the lunch box. It's fried rice and toasted paneer. I put a little bit tomato ketchup in a little sauce bottle and cucumber. For snacks box, it is watermelon. So this is what I packed in my kids lunch box today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.